The guilt of not finishing a book is real, and let's talk about it. So, in today's video, let's chit chat about a major reader's dilemma or a problem, and that is, should you finish a book that you started but lost interest midway? This is a totally subjective analysis of mine. You might have certain different opinions, but let's hear my thoughts out on this. So, in my early days as a reader, I used to think that not finishing a book was a crime in reader community, and I had solid reasons backing this up. So, let us list this down. First and foremost thought of mine was, did I just waste my money? Most of the Indian readers would agree with me when I say that books aren't that cheap. Yes, you might find cheaper alternatives, but mostly the books that you wish to read or you have wishlisted on certain sites are priced way above our liking, to be honest. The second reason that my mind told me to complete a book was, इतना पढ़ लिया है तो आगे भी पढ़ ही लेते हैं. And over the years, I've come to realize why this happens, because reading a book gives you a sense of accomplishment, something that you can take away from the book. And after you have spent considerable time engaged in a book, reading a book, and if you don't get any results out of it, it just feels a waste of time. And that is why you just push yourself to complete the book even if you don't like it. And that is what I did as well. It's a very real feeling and a real thing that most of us do in the initial stages, I guess. The third reason that I feel most of us drag ourselves through a book is that somewhere in our mind we tend to equate reading books with academic reading, and both are totally different things. Academic reading was something that required your full attention, full focus, you had to comprehend each and every line and paragraph. But trust me, that is not the case with fiction. For instance, one of the major problems that readers who are wanting to step into reading face is that they are unable to understand a line and they get stuck upon it, read it again and again, and in the process lose track of the plot line. And a very simple solution to that is just skip over those lines or paragraphs that you don't understand and proceed further, because trust me, you won't be missing out on a huge plot line or a character development in the process. And while I'm not negating all of these concerns that it feels like a waste of money, waste of time, and that inbuilt mindset that we have that we need to finish a book, while all of these concerns are very much real, over the time I've realized as a reader that I would rather leave a book midway than have it kill my interest in reading altogether. Moreover, reading was meant as an activity wherein you'd relax yourself after a long, tiring day of work. You'd come home, read something fun, and have a good time. And what's the purpose of reading if it feels like work? And therefore, I hugely recommend that you do not finish a book that you don't like. The reading process is way, way, way more important than what the book is about. And if you don't have fun while reading it, if you don't feel emotions or connect with the characters or are deeply engaged with it, trust me, there's no point of reading a book. And therefore, I am a huge supporter of not finishing a book that you do not like. Yeah, that was my take on this subject. Let me know what you all think, and let's meet again for the next video.